All right, we are going to start our lesson, and Jeremy and Remington are just going to join when they can.
So you're able to have SPSS up then right now?
I've got it so right now I'm on my regular desktop, and then I have the VMware. Can you guys still hear me?
Yeah.
You can?
Yep.
Okay, so I'm in I'm in the VMware right now, and I can pull up the SPSS software here. I just then I have to close it and go back to the chat.
Okay.
Jeremy's texting me right now. Trying to get him added to the group.
All right, I'll be back in just a minute.
Yeah, I don't think I can use SPSS today. He's just not doing it.
There's Jeremy. Jeremy, can you hear us? Remington says that he's in his lab still. They're running over, so he might not be able to make this one.
Oh, that's scary.
Okay. So, group meeting. Start. Yes, we want to start now. I keep writing the wrong thing. Still haven't heard Jeremy disappeared. Uh-oh. Golly.
Are we in lesson 14?
Invited me.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, lesson 14. Jeremy? Hello, Jeremy? Jocelyn, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Marilyn can hear me. Jeremy, can you hear us?
You said, you should read that?
He said, I'm on campus, so I think this internet. Okay. Let's just start so we don't get behind, and then we'll try and get him in.
What time do we need to be done by?
I don't need to be done by any time, but that's just you. I know you got some people have classes.
Do you have a certain time you need to be
What
done?
time is it where you are, Maryland?
It's like 9 o'clock. 9.
Okay. So we're going to try and get this one done, and then we'll do our next meeting.
Okay, sounds good.
Right,
Jocelyn, do you have somewhere to be?
I don't know. I finished.
Okay. Okay.
Can you guys see the test?
Yes. Almost.
Okay. In an ANOVA hypothesis test, we reject the null hypothesis when there is sufficient evidence to indicate at least one mean is different from the other.
True.
Isn't that true?
Yeah, because with ANOVA, the null hypothesis is that they're all equal.
Oh, yeah.
So, true. What requirements need to be checked when performing an ANOVA hypothesis test? That is that the data in each group is normally distributed and the variances are equal.
Mm-hmm.
So it'd be B and C.
Oh, yeah. Each group is distributed. Do the following.
Well, to check if each group is distributed, do the following. Construct a scatter plot. It's the Q and Q plot for each group, isn't it?
Yes.
Oh, wait, it's asking which one of these will tell you if it's normally distributed?
Yeah.
Can't a histogram tell you, too?
Yeah,
no,
but
I guess...
that's what I would think, too, but for some reason they specify Q and Q plots in the book.
Yeah, I think that's more... Yeah, I think you're right.
In the text it said that, but a histogram, and I think even a scatter plot, really, all of them would, but specifically they said a Q and Q plot.
But yeah, they said that in one of the videos, too. They were talking about that.
Yeah.
I don't know. It was for a while ago.
Okay, we assume the variance in each group is the same if the following happens. The sample variance of each group is smaller than the sample mean. The largest variance is less than 4 times the smallest variance. The largest sample mean is less than 2 times the smallest sample mean, or each group has the same sample size. The same as the following happens. That is one or more of the, or it's
the 4 times.
The largest variance is less than 4 times the smallest variance. The ANOVA hypothesis test is equivalent to conducting independent two-sample t-tests between every pair of samples. If there are 3 samples, there are 3 pairs, 1, 2, 1, 3, and 2, 3. How many pairs do you have when there are 4 samples? Is it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7? 7? Oh no, there's more than that.
I get 6.
You got 6?
Yeah, because you have 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. Then you have 2, 3, 2, 4, and 3, 4.
Yeah, so 6. Okay, I counted them wrong. Alright, let me pull up this soccer data in SPSS.
That's so frustrating.
Which one is it? Soccer shoes?
Soccer shoes.
Okay, now you guys are gonna have to walk me through it since now I'm in my SPSS.
Okay. So how do you even get that to pull up in SPSS? Doesn't it automatically pull it up in Excel?
No, so there's 2 different things you can do it on.
Oh.
Remember I was telling you guys, I figured out how you guys pull yours up in Excel. It's because at the very, very top of the screen on the right side, you have it in either 221A or 221C. In Bio 221A and 221C, they use Excel. In 221B, which we're enrolled in, we use SPSS. So all the data files for our class are in SPSS. All the data files in 221A and 221C are in Excel.
So see, I'm able to, like, when it shows up for me, it gives me the option of opening in Excel or SPSS.
Really? See, mine does not give you that.
Of Excel, I think.
Huh, that's so weird.
Weird. Okay, so I've got this soccer shoe data up. Now what it says, so what's the question saying?
It says, okay, I'll just read it. These data can be found in the week. Load all 6 samples into the quantitative inference procedures spreadsheet or perform ANOVA test in SPSS and observe that the p-value is 0.0809. Remove the SOX data. What is the p-value?
What?
Remove the SOX data?
I
This
don't
makes no
get
sense.
that.
The data that pulls up in SPSS is A, B, C, and D. It doesn't say SOX or an E. It doesn't say, oh, there's SOX. Okay. So I need to get rid of the SOX data?
Okay.
Is what the question?
Yes.
That's what it's asking? Okay.
Yes.
So
And
we're
Jeremy, we
doing
can't hear you.
ANOVA. It's what?
Sorry.
What'd you say,
Jeremy asked if anybody could hear him, and I said no.
Oh, I didn't know he joined. Okay. So do I need to, but I need to recode, right? Because the data's in A, B, C, D, and E, and it needs to be a number, right?
Yes.
Okay. Transform, automatic recode. Transform, automatic recode.
Ooh.
Inline. Compare means one way A node. It's making no sense. Oh, okay, so the accuracy is data values. It goes in the dependent list. This goes in the factor list. Okay. Okay, so what did it say that the p-value was with stocks in it?
0.0809.
So 0.809?
0.0809.
Okay, so it's 0.081.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Okay, so now did it say in the so I got the table to make that one. How do you exclude something from it? Do you guys know?
I have no idea.
The only thing I can
Is
think
there...
is delete the data.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
All right, let me try that. Sorry, you guys know I'm not familiar with SPSS, so.
I know, and I wish I could get on, but my
All
computer
right, let me delete.
Hey, Jeremy, can you hear us? Is it working?
I think so. Let me see. Analyze. Compare means. Okay. Now it is saying that the is 0.309. So the p-value always goes up when only one group is removed compared to the p-value when all 6 samples are included.
True. It went up.
Yeah, would it be true because you're removing data from it? And the data adds extra variables, so which decrease the p-value?
Yeah, that sounds right.
Oh my gosh, you're kidding me. So I gotta do all of this for removing one group.
Yeah.
Holy crap. Okay, so the beginning one, so somebody write this down. So the beginning one when we first started was what, 0.0?
0.0809.
0.0.
Okay, that was the p-value with all of them. When I removed socks, it was 0.309.
Okay.
0.309.
Yeah.
Okay, now I'm going to remove.
There's got to be an easier way to do it.
Sorry. Yeah, there's got to be an easier way to do this, but I don't know how to do it, so
Yeah.
I got to do it the hard way. Okay, I'm going to remove A. Oh, I hope this is right.
Oh, sweet. My SPSS just opened, so I can help you on this one.
Oh, great. So I've taken out A.
Okay.
Okay, it says the sig with, or the p-value without A is 0.060.
Okay.
Which one did you take out?
I'm still getting it downloaded. It's going slow.
You have to have SPSS open first to be able to open these.
Yeah.
Oh.
All right, Jocelyn, have you figured it out? Are you taking out a group?
Yeah, I'm working on it still. It's going extremely slow.
Which one are you taking out?
I can take out C if you're doing B.
Okay, I'm gonna take out B.
Um. You guys just click exit when everything pops up on your SPSS.
Yeah.
Okay, now whenever I try to click on this, it gives me like 1,000,001 options for how to download it, but it doesn't say SPSS.
All right, I've got without B.
Okay.
So you're working on C.
Yep. It finally downloaded.
All right, I'll take D out.
Okay, I've got without C. What was B?
All right, what is without B is 0.052. Without C is what?
0.448.
And then I'm gonna do without D if you'll do without E.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, without E.
How'd you do that so quickly?
So what I do is I just, so I keep all the data on there, and I delete all the C's, and then I do the one-way test, and then I'll go back to the SPSS.
You don't have to automatically recode it every time?
No, I just put Control Z, and it puts the C's back in, and then I delete the E's.
Oh, I thought you had to recode it every time.
No, it's still recoded, I'm pretty sure.
Oh, okay. Well, then I'll just do that. That's easy.
That's if I'm doing it right.
Well, okay then. What did you get without E?
Without E.050.
Okay. Let me get without D. All right, without D is 0.031.
Awesome.
Okay, so what was the original question?
I gotta get back to it because I'm on my VMware thing.
What is the highest p-value you see when removing only one group? So the highest p-value removing only one group was without C.
Yep. So 0.448.
Yeah. When all 6 samples are used, what is the minimum smallest? Okay, let me go back. Are you doing it too so we can compare?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, where do you, is it under the, what's the variance? Where do you find that at?
I don't. The variance is
Oh, okay. I think I've got it. So it's asking for the lowest variance? I have it as C is the smallest.
wait, so it's asking. Oh, so we just have to use. Oh, the minimum and the
Explore.
maximum.
Yeah, so the minimum is C, which is 27.208.
How did you find that?
So I went to Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, Explore, and then it tells you all the variances.
For footwear.
So Explore, it's
So you
got
put,
the
the kicking accuracies in the dependent list and the footwear in the factors list?
Oh, what did I do for that? Let me make sure what I did. Yeah, so dependent is kicking accuracy, and factor is foot recode.
Okay, so now looking at this, you look at where do you find which one? Okay, so the confidence intervals are mean, 5% trimmed. The minimum is variances. I got 27.358. Oh, then I compare each of the. So then the variance of B is 29, and the variance of C is 8.
I have that. Yeah, I have C as 27.208.
Make sure. 27.208. So that one's the littlest one?
Yeah.
Okay. So back to the question. Minimum, the smallest variance is C. So 27 point. What was
208.
it? 208. And then the maximum one is
53.158, I believe, is the biggest, and that is, what is it?
D.
Yes.
No. So
And 13 says,
hold on, what was 12?
Yep, 53.158.
158. Yep, okay. The test for equal variances is satisfied for this data.
Yes, because it's not 4 times larger, it's smaller than 4 times. Does that make sense?
Construct a QQ plot for each of the 6 items. Each of the samples are approximately normal based on what you see in the QQ plot. So how do you make the QQ plots?
I'm looking at it.
So, I mean, this is back in the beginning when I don't have SPSS. Graphs? Because I see where it's got a box plot, but that's not a QQ plot, is it?
Nope, I don't have a QQ plot on that one.
Is the box plot different than a QQ plot?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You are just in everything, aren't you? Everything. I really wanted you to sleep in here. Wake up.
I think I got it. Okay, to do a QQ plot, it's analyze, descriptive data, explore, and then you can
Analyze. Scripted. Wait, what'd you say? Analyze what?
you go to explore. So,
QQ plots.
yeah. Then you click on the plots, and then you can click on normality plots with tests, and it'll tell you. Whoa, some are not normal.
So does that mean it's normal even though they're not on the line?
No, they would not be normal. They're all
So
over.
technically we can't do we wouldn't be able to do ANOVAs on them, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So it'd be false on 14.
Yeah. Test statistic for an ANOVA hypothesis test is an F statistic. Is the p-value the area to the right or the left of the F statistic?
It's the right, isn't it?
Yeah, it's the right, I think. It's right skewed. The p-value is in the right tail.
Yep, so right.
I'll submit it.
Okay.
You got a B+, so I'm guessing 2 of them are wrong.
Which ones?
The p-value always goes up when only one group is removed compared to the p-value when all 6 are included. It's false.
Okay, that's weird.
And then
Maybe just
construct a
not always.
QQ plot. And then it says 14 is true. Maybe it's because they're close, that they go in a straight line and that they're close enough to it that there's no outliers, that means that it would be true, that they are normal.
I guess so. Ah, I hate this thing.
Okay.
Well, I guess if you look at the labels, it says normal QQ plot.
Yeah.
I don't know if that means anything, but
You are just into everything, aren't you? Okay. Do you guys have to leave, or do you want to do the next one?
I'll get the next one if you guys.
Why are we doing the next one early?
Because
We have a test.
we have a test, and because I've got to work Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, so on Thursday I won't be able to meet until 9:30 at night, which is in the middle of the night your time. So either you guys meet without me, or
We can't do it.
so
Yeah, I mean, yeah, I guess we could do it right now.
that's up to you guys.
Yeah, I guess, I mean, it's like...
Okay.
I'm good with now.
All right.
Okay,
Okay.
well,
All right.